Hi everyone, this is Vinod. Today I'm going to teach about buffer overflow for intermediate persons. Okay, in earlier, this buffer overflow vulnerability is found in C and C++ languages. Developer has create the buffer size in the program itself. Then the attacker find the buffer size and execute their shell code in their victim machine and compromise their machine. So we are going to Brainpan. Brainpan is one of the vulnerable application for practicing the buffer overflow. So one user has been put this buffer overflow as a blog. So I am going to explain about this. Here the user has been enumerated with nmap, finding the port, how many ports opened in the victim machine, and he get two ports, 49999, and his version service is ABYSS. I don't know the version, and another port is 10,000. It's HTTP. The version is simple HTTP server, version 0.6, and it's running on Python 2.7.3. So it's anyway the machine is as the Python, it's installed in this machine. So the user has been using banner grabbing using the telnet. He get the Brainpan console. So okay, before creating the buffer overflow, the user need to get the exe file or C file. Then only we can inbuilt to our OLE debugger or immunity debugger or E debugger. Then only we can find out the actual EAP and ESP sizes. Okay, here the user has put the darbuster and getting the directory and download the Brainpan exe files. Once he get the exe file, he has been opened with one application in the Linux, Kali Linux. He has been using OLE debugger or Unity debugger. I think it's OLE debugger. Yeah, OLE debugger and executed the program. Okay, here he can use a simple socket program and creating a buffer size like he giving the while condition of count of plus to 200. Here is our images, number of A has been transmitted, and our EBA register and EAP register has been overwritten using yes, and we want to find the exact buffer size. So we are creating the MSVNM or metasploitable framework using the pattern create of some here they are mentioned 702 bytes. We can mention any other bytes like 1000 or 5000, anything, and we can paste this code into the code like buffer, and we can get our EAP is overwritten with another value and take this value and again come back to the pattern offset and give minus q, and we can get the exact buffer size like 524. This is the buffer size, and here the attacker user has been given like buffer of A524 and overwritten like giving the 4b and giving the 4c, sorry, giving c of 74. Okay, then he has been executed. Our EAP is registered with, overwritten by 4B 42 42 42. Then he have find out the bad characters. So in this blog there is no method to finding the bad characters. If you are in intermediate hackers, so you want to go to the bulk security and copy the bad character and paste in instead in the shell code, and you can find out the bad characters and remove the bad character in the before generating the shell code. Okay, in this we want to give the jump from ESP to EAP. So here I got one register like 311712F3. This is the register we want to jump from ESP to EAP. So I noted that, and also I'm going to create the a shell code using MSB. The payload is mentioned like -p and giving the for Windows machine shell reverse TCP and localhost and the local port. And the bad character I have already mentioned. Here we have find out the bad character is like 00, and our format is Python and generate the output like shell code. Okay, after that the shell code is generated, we can copy the shell code in the program and execute. Before executing, we want to give the listening using a netcat. So the user has been created listener like ANC minus LNVP and the port. So once you click the enter and the payload is executed, we will receive the shell. And I think this is the Windows machine. So we can get the shell using this python -c. This is the command using we will get the proper shell. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, please raise the command, I will clear it. Bye bye, see you in the next video.